In this video, let's look at how to sort lists using the sort function. So for the purpose of this video, I have two lists, a list of integers and a list of strings. So in order to sort list E in ascending order, we just use the sort function. And now when I print out the list, you can see that it's sorted in ascending order. Now if you want to reverse the order, this can be done by using the reverse keyword and setting that to true. So now you can see that it's in the descending order. Now let's see how the sort function works on strings. So basically in the case of strings, what the sort function does, it goes one character at a time and it compares them, and it compares them to the regular list of alphabets, and then it sees where it comes. For example, in this case, A comes before S, so apple is going to be sorted in front of str. And now if the first characters match, for example in these two examples, it's going to go to the next character and compare them and then sort them in that way. So let's go ahead and sort this C now. I'm going to copy this line of code here to be more efficient. I'm going to replace that with list F, and then I'm going to remove this reverse. And now when I copy this line of code to print list F, you can see that now the list of strings has also been sorted. So this is how sorting works in lists.